Hello guys, today I will do something a little bit different. I will pick a sash lock. It's just a lever lock, non-curtained lever lock. I will got it at the end. I got just a 2-lever one here, but the tool, the crappy tool I made aren't big enough for this one. So I will just show you the kind of lock. This is just a 2-lever lock, this one. So this one is in pretty bad shape. It's a Springer lock. So a bit rusty, loose. It's broken. It missed part from the latch. So I will just concentrate on the bottom. So I made a tension wrench out of 2 pieces of rod. Just a small piece of rod that I threaded and screwed in a bigger rod, and I ground it off to fit in there. And I just take a piece of arc welding rod. I knocked the flux off of it. So I ground it off, and I tried to make kind of a wire to pick it. Way too fat, but it works. But it's just my first attempt making tools for this kind of lock. So because in Canada they are very rare that you will see a lever lock with a curtain in it. They are just scrappy little 1 or 2 lever one like this one. It's just I can't catch that lever. I'm not a good curtain lock picker, as you can see. Lever lock picker, sorry. But I want to learn that skill. There we go, picked. But it's just what makes me frustrated about them is that get an extra step, get your tool out. It's quite hard. So let's get it. Not the best screwdriver in the world, but it's okay. Just 1 lever inside of there. Screw the cover off. So I will take it off. That spring is attached to the lever. So this is the spring, the lever, and the bolt, and the broken part of the latch, missing part. Anyway, don't care about the latch, but there it is, the bolt. Get this thing back in there. The lever attached to the fence right here. So when I lift this lever, that pops up, and the lock is picked. So once again, lift it like that. So thank you for watching, and if you guys have some lever locks that you want to get rid of, let me know, and please stay legal. Thanks.